Good morning, 8th graders. At least I hope it's morning when you're watching this. If not, you've got a few hours. Today's lesson for Tuesday is on forming the possessive of nouns. To form the possessive of a singular noun, you must always add an apostrophe and an S. Girl becomes girls, G-I-R-L apostrophe S, and cross, even though it already ends in two S's, becomes crosses. And so you keep the two S's you already had, and then you add an apostrophe and another S. This is true with all singular nouns. Nouns that represent one item, you add an apostrophe S regardless of how they end. All right, then to form the possessive of a plural noun that does not end in S, you add an apostrophe and an S as well. Children, no S on the end, so even though it's plural, we add an apostrophe and an S. Children's. And dear, this could be singular or plural, but here we're saying it's plural. Dear, more than one dear, you add an apostrophe S to dears. To form the possessive of a plural noun that already ends in S, so if it's more than one, if it's representing more than one, it's plural and it already ends in S, you're just going to add an apostrophe after that S. Classes, meaning more than one class, becomes classes apostrophe. The lettering is the same, you just add the apostrophe. And then ladies becomes ladies with an apostrophe at the end. Same spelling, add an apostrophe. Finally, there are two exceptions to the first rule involving singular nouns. To form the possessives of Jesus and Moses, unlike all other singular nouns where you add an apostrophe S no matter how the word ends to begin with, for these two nouns that are singular, you just add an apostrophe. So for Jesus and Moses, for Jesus it would just be J-E-S-U-S apostrophe, or Moses would also just be M-O-S-E-S apostrophe. I wanted to do a couple examples of today's work with you to make sure you understood, because even though I don't think it's hard, some people in the past have struggled with how to word the items in this exercise. And so since I have finished the slides on this one, I'm just going to upload this video, but then you will find a second video that just does a couple of examples of the items in today's work to help you. So be sure to watch that other video too to make sure you understand how to word today's items in the exercises 2.5 and 2.6. All right, have a wonderful day. Message me with questions.